Sad to say, there are some people who cannot really accept.
Yeah.
Some parents are still in the denial stage. Kasi parang the question is bakit nagkaroon ako ng ganitong anak? Something like that.
Yeah.
Or, saan ba nakukuha to? They have a lot of questions, okay, that comes into their mind na, paano? You know, acceptance is it's a process eh.
Yeah.
You know, having child with autism is a process of, yes, I'm aware, but yung emotional acceptance,
Yeah.
probably, yung physical acceptance din, kung meron man, and psychological acceptance, parang andun pa yung struggle ng bawat isa. No? Good thing siguro sa ibang parent, sasabihin nila, wala naman, di naman totoo to. Yun yung pinakamasakit sa ibang parent na parang na-invalidate din yung kalagayan o sasabihin, yung anak niya, huwag kang lalapit kasi may autism. So nagkakaroon ng labeling na, ewan ko kung maganda o pangit, pero still parang nalilabel yung bata na parang iba siya. Which I myself felt so bad. That's the reason why I chose this career kasi when I was in my high school days, I saw one of my a child na may autism na parang hindi ka pwede kalaro kasi sorry for the term, hindi ka normal. So noong time na yun, way back in 90s, wait, ano meron? Bakit meron?
Yeah.
So this time, kahit mataas yung awareness natin, yes, autism exists, but what about the acceptance sa society?